What if your everyday spending could turn into business class flights, luxury hotel stays, and priority airport perks? Most people think travel credit cards are only for frequent flyers, but the surprising truth is that even one smart card can unlock thousands of dollars in travel value each year. Today, we're breaking down the Air France KLM World Elite MasterCard and what makes it stand out. This card is designed for travelers who want to earn Flying Blue miles, the loyalty currency of Air France and KLM. Every time you make a purchase, you earn miles that can be redeemed for flights, seat upgrades, and travel services. Most cardholders earn extra miles on Air France, KLM, and SkyTeam partner purchases, while everyday spending like groceries and dining still earns rewards. One of the biggest highlights is the welcome bonus. Many people don't realize that a single bonus can be enough for a round-trip flight. Depending on promotions, new cardholders can earn tens of thousands of Flying Blue miles after meeting the minimum spending requirement. That alone can cover a large portion of your first trip. You also get travel perks that save real money. These often include free checked bags, priority boarding, and discounts on award tickets. World Elite benefits add extras like travel insurance, purchase protection, and concierge services. The surprising truth is that these protections can save you hundreds during a single trip if something goes wrong. However, this card is best for people who actually fly with Air France, KLM, or SkyTeam partners. If you rarely travel, you may not get full value from the miles. In conclusion, the Air France KLM World Elite MasterCard is a powerful option for travelers who want to turn everyday spending into unforgettable experiences. Subscribe for more credit card and travel reward breakdowns.